Hello guys, welcome to the class. So hope you are practicing OM daily and hope you are updated till previous sum. Okay, without any delay we'll just concentrate on the illustration 42. See here, a book stores wishes to carry Ramayana in stock. Demand is probabilistic and replenishment of stock takes 2 days. That means if I order a book today, at end of the third day it will be delivered. The same is been provided in the brackets. The probabilities of demand are been given below. Earlier we solved the questions which we have to find the probability and the cumulative probability, but here demand and probability both is being given. Each time an order is placed, the store incurs an ordering cost of 10 per order. Okay, suppose if you order something, okay, suppose if you take 1 month of time, in 1 month how many orders you take, that must be multiplied with 10 per order. It's not number, order, how many times you order. So the store also incurs a carrying cost of 0.5 per book per day. Okay, whatever the closing stock you have, so per day what and all the books been as a closing stock, you have to multiply with 0.50. The inventory carrying cost is calculated on the base of stock at the end of each day. Okay, the managers of the books wise wishes to compare two options for his inventory decision. Order 5 books when the inventory at the beginning of the day plus order outstanding is less than 8 books. I'll tell you, see, when the books total number of books is less than 8, you have to order how many books? 5 books. This is the situation 1. And the second situation is where the total outstanding book is less than 8, okay, you order 8 books. In first situation you have to order only 5 books when the outstanding books are less than 8. In the second order you have to order 8 books when the outstanding is less than 8. Got it? Currently beginning first day, the store has a stock of 8 books plus 6 books ordered 2 days ago are expected to arrive the next day. That means 2 days ago the 6 books were ordered, and tomorrow, that means next day, the order is getting done, and now right now the stock we have is 8 books done. The 2-digit random numbers are being given below. Random numbers we utilize for what, you know, right? Demand to calculate. Okay, probability. Okay, probability as so the what is given in the question we have taken that, and the cumulative I told you already how to do. First as it is you write 0.05, next 0.05 plus 0.10. How does it become? 0.15 plus 0.30, 0.45, 0.45 plus 0.45, 0.90 plus 0.10, and probability always equals to 1. And range I told you what and all the number is been there, you just reduce 1. Okay, it is 0.5, so that means 0 to 0.4, next 4 to 4, 5 to 14, next 15 to 44, 45 to 89, and 90 to 99. Got it? Any doubts? No. Next, random numbers has been given, right? According to the take demand, see, first one is 89. 89 falls in which category? 89 is falls in this category, right? Demand is 3. Okay, next 34 falls in this category, demand is 2. So like that if you go through, you will get the demands like this. Okay, done. Now opening stock, first month they have only given opening stock, there are 8 books. Okay, 8 books taken. Ordered quantity receipt, do we order like what we ordered, is there any item which is received today? No, it's not. The next day it is getting received, so it is nil. Closing stock, how do you get the closing stock? Opening stock minus demand. That is, how do you know? See, I have now total 10 chocolates. The demand right now in the market is 5 chocolates. So I can only give 5 chocolates. So another 5 chocolates is with me. In the same way, the opening stock is 8, but the demand is 3. So how much what is the stock is left out? 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3. Got it? Yes. Next, quantity for which ordered place. Do we place any order? No, we have not placed any order. Next, last day closing stock will be the today's opening stock. Correct? Today's closing stock will be the tomorrow's opening stock. Got it? So 5 as it is, take 5 here. And then in the question they have provided, 2 days ago you ordered 6 books and that is arriving the next day, that means second day here. So it has been received 6. Correct? Now see, opening stock is how much? 5. What is the demand? 5 minus 2. So how many books still we are in hand? 3. 3 plus, is there any books which we got today? Yes, 6 books we got. 3 plus 6 is 9. How do you get this? 5 minus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 5 minus 2 is 3 3 plus 6 is 9. Any doubts? No, right? Yes. Next, today's closing stock will be tomorrow's opening stock. 9. And do we order any books? No, we did not order. So 9 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. So quantity for which order placed. Okay. We did not place quantity for order. Quantity for which order placed. We did not. Correct? Next see. This will become here. Opening stock. And see here. 6 minus 3. How does this 3 has come? 6 minus 3. Okay. And see, if the order, outstanding order is less than 8 books, we must order how many books? 5 books. 5. Correct? In the question they gave a condition, right? 5. Got it? Any doubts? No. See now. 1 minute. Question. Yeah. Beginning of the day plus order. Yeah. Okay. See, 6 minus 3, right? So 5 books we have ordered, and that will come after 2 days, right? Yeah. Here, this today end it has come. See. Now 3 will come here. 3 minus 3, 0. And one more thing, be careful. Be careful. Here you might have told, sir, the order is less than 8 books. We must order 5 books, right? But what did they tell? They have told in the condition that, see, when the inventory at the beginning of the day plus order outstanding. Okay. See here, if you, that's what here I have taken. What is that? Inventory beginning of the day. See here, when the inventory at the beginning of the day, it is 9 books. Correct? You should not see the closing stock. Inventory is 9 books. And did we order anything? No. But 9 is not less than 8. That's why we have not ordered here. But next you see, here only 6. And did we order anything? No, we have not ordered anything. We are going to order now. Understood? Understand the situation. You have to understand that adjustment. When order 5 books, and that too when the opening stock, the beginning of the day plus order outstanding. That means if there any we ordered previously, that you have to add. Got it? Yes. And next see, here it is 6 only. Correct? Sorry, see here. You might have told, sir, you told, okay, fine, you told only to see in the opening stock only. Okay, in 5th day I am saving opening stock only. 3 books. But 3 books is less than 8 books, no sir. We have to order 5 books. If you think like that, then you are wrong. Why? Because of, along with the 3, you should consider another item. What is that? Is there any books which is on the way? Yes, 5 books are on the way. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, like that you have to think. Got it? 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 8 is less than 8? No. So you need not order any books. Then 0, 0 as it is. Got it? Got it? Yes. Now see, 0 here. Okay. 0 plus, is there any books which are on order? Yes, that is 5 books. So 0 plus 5, 5. And 5 is less than 8, no? Order 5 more books. Like that you have to understand one number and you have to do it. Understood? Then here 5 minus 3. Because we have total in our hand is 5, demand is 3. So 5 minus 3, 2. Next. So this 2 becomes here. Okay. Now see, now beginning of the day books is 2. And what we ordered, that is 5 books in the previous day. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is less than 8, right? Yes. So that's why you order again. Got it? Understood? Yes. So 2 minus 2, 0. Again you 0 get back here. Okay. Beginning of the 8th day, there are 0 books. But how many we ordered? We ordered 5 books, right? 5 books are gonna come. Okay. See, total 5 plus 5, 10 books are going to come. See, previous order is how much? 5. And here plus 5, 10 books are still in order. So 10 is less than 8 or more than 8, more than 8. So we need not order here. Okay. So 5 minus 2, 3. Because the order which we ordered here, that is delivered here. Got it? Yes. Next 3. Now ordered, what we ordered is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. We need not order anything. So how this has come? 3 minus 1 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now see 7 comes here. Is there any order which is on the way? No. And this 7 is less than 8 definitely. So that's why we have to order another 5 books. And these 5 books will be delivered after 2 days. But only 10 days only they have given out till consider you here. 7 minus 3 is 4. How it has come? 7 minus 3 is 4. Then entire 10 days, what is the closing stock if you add 39? Okay. Now see, in the question they give, how many orders you did till now? Okay, how many orders you did? 1 minute. This is okay. How many orders you did till today? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orders. Per order 10 rupees. 4 into 10, 40. Next, carrying cost. They told carrying cost, how you have to do? See here. Carrying cost. Yeah. The store also incurs a carrying cost of 0.5 per book per day. The inventory carrying cost is calculated on the basis of closing stock at the end of. Each and every line is important. If you do not catch each and every line, that's it, gone case. Okay. So the stock at the end of the day. The total, if you do, how much it is? 39. So 39 into 0.5. When you did total, it is 59.50. Any doubts? In the same way, option B. But here you should order 8 books. Okay. Not 5 books. You should order 8 books. Okay. Done? Done? Yeah. See, same. 8 minus 3 is 5. And come here. It is 5. Okay. So 5. And is like any order which we ordered earlier is coming today? No. That is 5 plus 6 you do now. Okay. So 5 plus we ordered 2 days ago, that is coming the next day. That means you should add. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is not less than 8. That's why we should not order here. So this 6, how it has come? 9. 5 minus 2 plus 6. This 9 comes here again. Okay. 9 now. So 9 is less than 8 or more than 8? More than 8. Don't order anything. 9 minus 3, 6. Now 6. Correct? 6 is less than 8? Yes, it is less than 8. Order 8 books. And it will come after 2 days, right? Yes, 6 minus 3 here. And again 3 you get back here. Now here 3. Do we need to order? If you consider only 3, then we have to order. But you should also take outstanding books. Outstanding book means, do we order anything? Yes, we did order. Yesterday we did order. What was the order? 8 books. So 8 plus 3 is what? 11. When it is 11, that is less than 8 or more than 8? It is more than 8. So don't order. Got it? So this is 3 minus 3. Next 0. And see 0 plus 8. Okay. Outstanding also should consider. So 0 plus 8. That is 8 books are there. It is not less than 8. So don't order. 8 minus 3 this is. Because demand we are subtracting. And 5. Okay. And 5. So 5 is less than 8. Of course I do accept. But is there any order which is coming on the way? No. It is less than 8 then. So order books. It is 5 minus 2 it becomes. Then 3. 3 is the actual number of the opening stock. But is there any order which ordered? Yes, we ordered yesterday. That is 8 books. 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 is more than 8. Don't order. So 3 minus 2. Okay. And today it is arriving. Yesterday what we have ordered 2 days back, it is arriving today. Okay, 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is more than 8. So don't order anything. So here how much it is? 1 minus 1, then plus 8. Done. Next. 8 will come here. 8 is not less than 8 or more than 8 is equal. So don't order. 8 minus 3. So how many orders total it takes place? 2 orders. 2 into 10. And again, what is the closing stock total? It comes around 45. 45 into 0.5. Okay. So here, when you follow the situation 1, the cost is becoming 59.50. When you go with the second one, that is 42.50. So which is more? Okay, which is more? This one is more. If you consider the situation 1, you have to pay more cost. If you consider the option B, you have to pay less cost. When and all the cost is less, that you have to accept. Then only the profit become more. Option B is better because it has low inventory cost. Here 2 simple topics you have to understand. Okay. According to the question, they gave 8 books in the opening stock and 6 books they ordered 2 days ago and that is coming the next day. Till there it is very clear and very fine. Okay, and here so like you go mistake only at one end. Order 5 books when the beginning of the day plus outstanding books is less than 8. That means opening stock you should consider, and also is there any order is on the way, that is also to be considered. Then only you order. If the number is less than 8, then order 5 books in the first situation. If the number is less than 8, order 8 books in the second situation. Like how many orders takes place, that into 10, and add the end of the day closing stock for to calculate the carrying cost. Okay, order cost plus carrying cost becomes total cost, and check whether both the situations total cost is more or less. Okay, in option B the total cost is less, so that's why you consider that only. Okay, yeah, if you want you can just carry roughly. Make it soon. So easy question, only technically you should understand the terms here, that's it. Apart from that nothing is gonna be tough to it. And whichever the cost is there, that you accept. Yeah, just 2 minutes, go through with that. Then you can go to illustration 43.